All right, today we're working on a 2002 Jaguar S-Type. Customer mailed this in using our mail-in services. Basically, this is all I know. They said there's a broken key in there. The key won't even go in. It's as far as it'll go. So I'm going to go ahead and take it apart, remove whatever's in there, see if the lock's damaged. If the lock is really messed up, because I could tell actually this piece here is jacked up. Somebody must have been trying to do something before it was mailed to me. Hopefully I can reuse this lock. If not, I'm gonna have to get a used one, recode that. Keep in mind, y'all, if I'm not told the total story on what went on and how the lock became not working, then once I dig into it, I'm gonna find out. If I have to use more parts, then I have to charge more money. I rebuild existing locks, and that's if the key just stops working. Now, if you start using other tools and you start damaging the insides, of course, that's not going to get rebuilt. But we'll investigate it. We'll see what's going on. Based on what I can see, whether there's something broken in there or not, I can already tell that this part in here, the dust cover is jacked up. So hopefully I can reuse this lock. If not, I have to get parts from another lock or use the other lock and rebuild that to match this key. So I'll come back in a little bit. All right, this puppy is done. We did pull out something out of the lock. This, I ain't the smartest person, but this definitely don't look like a broken key. It was a tool that somebody put inside the lock and was trying to, I guess, steal a car or whatever they were trying to do. Who knows? But I did get a used lock because I couldn't use the other one, and rebuild this, and that's it. Here you go. It's work like it should. So keep in mind, y'all, if y'all gonna send me a lock, tell me the real truth. If not, like this customer, I'm gonna have to end up charging him a little extra money for extra parts that I wasn't planning on when I quoted the job, and extra time. And that's about it. Those of y'all may be wondering why there's not a lot of people that do this type of work. I'm probably considered an old school locksmith because I've been doing this since the early 90s. So that's probably why I'm able to fix these. I still have the kits. And that's about it. You need my help, just give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how long it's going to take, how much it's going to cost. And that's about it. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. And thank you for watching.